Not far away, the kind bear was walking slowly through the forest.
When the bear saw Leo, he gave a gentle little nod, as if saying,
Good morning, my friend. Are you looking for food?
Suddenly, the bear's tummy made a big hungry sound.
Oh dear, excuse me.
I think someone is hungry. Hee
You're so big and fluffy. You're so small and brave.
Can we be friends?
Of course, let's explore.
Just then, a bright blue bird flew down from the trees. It landed on a branch and chirped loudly.
Hello, little bird.
Then it flew a little deeper into the forest and turned back as if saying, Follow me. Leo looked at the bear.
Wow, a bird. Chirp, chirp. Hello there. He likes you. Maybe the bird knows something.
Leo and the bear followed the blue bird through the forest, across a small stream and over a soft grassy hill. The blue bird kept flying ahead, chirping happily. Finally, it landed on a big old tree. The bird chirped loudly again.
Let's follow it.
High in the tree was a big golden beehive. Sweet honey slowly dripped from the hive.
Leo smiled.
The bear's eyes sparkled with excitement. The bear carefully climbed the tree and gently took some honey.
Chirp, chirp. You're welcome.
Sharing is the sweetest thing.
Thank you. Thank you for being my friends.
Chirp, chirp, happy day.
Wow, this forest is amazing.
It is, my friend.
Chirp, onward we go.